Hello, this is Prepositions with Georgie from BBC Learning English. In this video, I'm going to teach you some prepositions of movement. These help to indicate how something is moving, but the best way to do this is by showing you. Let's get started. I want to go into my house, so I walk towards the building and go through the door. I walk up the stairs, but I realise I forgot to close the door, so I go down the stairs. Then I go up the stairs again and I see some clothes on the floor. And I think, shall I jump over the clothes or shall I just walk past the clothes? I decide to walk past the clothes. I'm getting a bit hungry, so I open the fridge and a banana falls out of it. So I pick it up off the floor. Then I see a spider, so I run away from it. I then move around the table for absolutely no reason at all. I go out of the house, across the street, and I walk to the supermarket. I come out of the supermarket. Wow, it's been a busy day. If prepositions scare you, don't worry, we'll get through it together. And in the meantime, check out the website and download the worksheet to help you practice. See you next time.